Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Tom here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can increase your conversion rate on Amazon. Now this is a two-part series. The first part I talked about how to increase your sessions, and this video I'm going to be showing you how to increase your conversion. Now let's define what conversion is and why it's important for you. Basically, if 100 people come in your listing, how many people are buying your product? Well, that's obviously super important, because if there's no one buying your product, you're not going to get any sales, and Amazon doesn't like that. Therefore, maybe de-rank you to page 2, page 3, page 4. By having really healthy and great conversion rate, that will help with sales, hence ranking as well. So in this video, what I want to do is show you a few tactics where you can actually increase your conversion rate with ease. Now, for those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tom. I've been building Amazon FBA businesses for the past couple years, being able to scale some of my Amazon stores from 0 to multiple 7 figures. And in this channel, I talk about entrepreneurship, Amazon FBA, and a bunch of different crap that I document. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, go to my Instagram and follow and all that different stuff. And if you're a veteran to the channel, if you're a what is it called? If you come back again, or if you're a repeated viewer, or a subscriber, that's the word I was looking for. If you're a subscriber watching this video again, what's up? Okay, so we're gonna get started. All right, so I'm gonna go on my computer here and show you a couple of pretty cool things. Now, the first thing you should be focusing on when it comes to conversion rate, this actually has to do a little bit of sessions and a little bit of conversion, so I'm just gonna say it anyway. You need to have really good main image, because your main image is essentially the gateway to your listing, right? These are your main images. Read Amazon's terms of service. They can only be on white backgrounds, but that's the thing is, for example, I'm gonna show you one listing right here, okay? So if you take a look at this listing versus this listing, this one looks a lot bigger. It's a lot more bold. I'm not talking about the colors. Well, obviously the colors help, but this listing has taken up pretty much all the white spaces around its border, and this definitely helps with people seeing your product right away. So what you want to do is you want to take up as much of the white border as possible with your product for your main image. Now check this out. This is our Facebook group, ecomhub.com, Amazon FBA group, and what I did was I posted a screenshot of one of my students basically updating their main image, and it made a huge difference. Sales literally doubled within the past 2 days. And check out what other people are saying as well about their main image. And posted today on Amazon, guess what? The product is having a record day, and it's only 3 p.m. just by fixing the main image. So it is super important. And here are some other things as well. You can use pickfood.com to split test between 2 images instantly. So that always helps determining which main image is actually the best. So yeah, your main image is your gateway to your listing, so that is super important. See, that's what I mean. It kind of has to do with session, more session than conversion, but I forgot to talk about it last time, so I'm going to include it this time. Now, the second thing you want to be doing is once someone clicks into your listing, you want to obviously have amazing lifestyle images. You don't want to just have all your images as the product on white background. That's absolutely boring and that's plain. What you want to do is you want to bring the product to life. So this person, I mean, Perfect Keto, they're a massive company, but you can see that this is a better image than just something like this, right? So this is a great image. Now, they can do better with this. Basically, if they have someone using the product or holding the product with a real human being in the main image, we can relate to that a lot better, right? Now, speaking of the main images, another thing you want to be doing is you want to be adding a video as your very last image. Now, how do you do this? Well, you do this if you have a brand trademark, if you're in the brand registry 2.0. Now, having said that, if you're not in the brand registry 2.0, what you could do is you could just go on Fiverr and type in something, I think it was like video to Amazon listing, and there's a couple of people on Fiverr that can actually do this for you. Now, is it against terms of service, whatever it might be? I think Amazon has better things to take care of than cracking down on someone uploading as a video as their last image. So it's completely up to you. Here I tell you what I do, and if you want to copy, great. If you don't, doesn't matter. So yeah, so here you should definitely have your last image as your video. Now, a lot of you are probably beginners, and maybe some of you but you might be tight on budget. You can always do this later, I find. If you're tight on budget, use that for ranking and stuff like that first, and then optimize this later when you have a little bit more budget. So carrying on, another way for you to increase your conversion rate is obviously through the copywriting. Now, copywriting, I did another video on the copywriting part. I'll link it up here. And basically, I went through step by step how we do copywriting here. So now, the most important thing when it comes to copywriting is actually using the language that your customers are using, right? So how do we find that? Well, on Amazon, it's really easy because we can just go down to the review section and actually look at all these reviews, right? And honestly, you can, if you just read the first 10, you will find little words and little segment of words and sentences and phrases that you can actually apply in your listing. Because these are the people that already bought the product using their hard-earned dollars, and they're liking it so much that they're actually leaving a review. So if you take segments of those customer reviews, you can actually just end up using them in your, sprinkle them in your listing. And when another customer reads it, they're like, oh yeah, like how do they know that I wanted to kick up my ketone levels, for example, right? I'm just reading a review here and it says kicks up my ketone levels, so this works. Well, people want that, right? Suppresses my appetite until lunch. So these are all really, really good ways for you to write your copy. So I would highly, highly recommend every single one of you to read the customer reviews. Now, the last part that I want to talk about is the product description. So in this part, this is called Enhanced Brand Content, also known as EBC, right? Enhanced Brand Content. Now, you can only get this if you're a trademark, again, brand registry 2.0. However, everything is possible. So if you want to get this done, you can simply go on Fiverr and you can basically just get this done on Fiverr as well. Okay, so super easy, and someone can do it for you. And this definitely helps with conversion rate as well, because a normal listing, it's kind of hard to find a normal listing these days that doesn't have enhanced brand content almost, but let's see if we can find one. Because if it's just a normal listing, basically it's just some words, right? Yeah, like this, for example, it's just words. However, if you get the enhanced brand content, it looks better, people like it better, yeah, it just looks better. So these are some of the ways you can definitely that can help you to increase your conversion rate. Oh, another one as an added bonus, you can upload your related videos here as well. Just click on upload video, upload it on there, and then you'll have a stack of related videos. Again, Amazon gives you all these different places that you can help to optimize, and the better that you get to it, the more you fill out, then the higher the optimization score, the higher the conversion is, and all these little things really make a big difference. For example, if you can just increase your conversion rate by 1%, and if you're bringing in, let's say, 10,000 customers a week to your listing, that will make a huge difference. So when it comes to conversion, make sure that you're optimizing your listing, and if you want to increase your sessions, make sure you go back to the video before and watch that video, because that will help you to get the sessions. And ultimately, if both the sessions and the conversion go up, then you are going to get more sales. That's it, okay? So thank you all for watching till the very end of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, podcast, or Facebook, or Instagram, whatever it might be, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. It will really help with the channel and getting my message out there and keep bringing you guys more value. Next week, so I upload a video every single Wednesday on my YouTube channel that also gets shared on Facebook and stuff like that. So next week, I'm not too sure what I want to talk about yet, so make sure you leave in the comment section below. I'll read all the comments and see if there's any interesting topics that I'll talk about. I might be talking more about motivational, inspirational stuff, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, leave your comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Hey, thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. Really hope you got a lot of value from this. And if you are interested in watching more, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you've seen it till the end, give your boy a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section down below. And I will see you in the next video.